Hi everyone, welcome back to Karbi Po channel. So this is English to Karbi translation. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to click subscribe. If you want more weekly updates, press the bell icon. Without any further delay, let's start the video. English to Karbi translation. King, king, king. In Karbi, Recho, Recho, Recho. Queen, queen, queen. Rechopi, Rechopi, Rechopi. Walk, walk, walk. Sigh, sigh, sigh. Pillow, pillow, pillow. Puhui, puhui, puhui. Throw, throw, throw. Kevar, kevar, kevar. Sue, sue, sue. Keng op, keng op, keng op. Line, line, line. Aren, aren, aren. Count, count, count. Lakha, lakha, lakha. Mud, mud, mud. Inghan, inghan. Long, long. Kiding, kiding, kiding. Rough, rough, rough. Kichong prok, kichong prok. Viral, viral, viral. Chetang pluk, chetang pluk. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe now and press the bell icon.